Assalamu alaikum viewers. If you have YouTube channel and you want to create another YouTube channel at same Gmail, how we can do this? In this video I will show you step by step that how you can create another YouTube channel at same Gmail. So let's start. So to create new account you have to go to Google Chrome, new tab, and here we need to search youtube.com at this page. And here I reach to youtube.com main page. Here we have option sign in, so I need to sign in first to create another channel. So click here at use another account. I want to create my YouTube channel at this Gmail because I have another account at this Gmail. So click here at next, click next again. Now I have logged in to youtube.com with my Gmail successfully. You can see I have these two channels, Precticalwork. I have subscriber 6900 and I have no subscriber here at this channel. So I want to log in into this with Precticalwork. Click this. Here my channel icon is displaying. You can see my channel name is Precticalwork and I want to create another channel at same Gmail. For this you need to click here and you need to click here at setting. Here my account, this is my Gmail which I'm using for my previous channel, and go down there your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel already running, and here we have option add or manage your channel. Click this. Here these are my channel. This is my active channel Precticalwork, and here this is another channel. I have no channel at this name. I want to create new channel, so there is option create a new channel. Click this plus button, and here I need to enter my new channel name. I am making this channel for forex beginners to learn forex trading in Urdu, Hindi. So my new channel name will be forex trading step by step. So this will be my new channel for forex trading Urdu user. Click on term and condition, agreed, click on create new. In this video I will show you that how you can create this channel does not exist. So what is this? Click here. Forex trading step by step is log in successfully, and click here at switch account. You can see here this channel is created successfully, forex trading step by step. My previous channel is displaying here. So click this icon and my dashboard of new channel display here. Now you have to customize your channel by clicking here at setting, and then you need to click here at channel and status, channel status and features. Here we have these tab, journal channel. Click journal and enter currency. I enter USD. Click at channel, select country of resident, enter your country here, Pakistan, this one. Keyword for your channel, forex trading. Enter keywords. Anyone can search your channel by these words, so these are suggestion also. So I enter some keywords which can help for searching to my channel, and click here at upload default. This is my title, this is description, so you can add description here. Every time when you upload your video, this description will be automatically add into new video. I'm pasting my new description here. So you can enter channel here like new video, or you can leave it at it is. Visibility, select public, add tag. So tag are different for every video, so I don't want to add tags. So click here at permissions, click here at community. You can add your moderator. I don't want to add my moderator here. Default. Here allow all comments, hold potentially incomplete. I am allowing all comments. Hold comment for review. You can enable this function to hold review. So don't want to do this. I am allowing all comments. You can use at your own. Click here at agreement. No journal is filled. channel is filled, but advanced setting we have option. You can see here. Do you want to set your channel as made for kid? There are three options. Yes, set of channel is made for kid. I always upload content that made for children. This is not my channel. So no, set of channel is not for made for kid. I never upload content made for children. So this suits me because I never upload content for kids. I want to review this setting every video. So you can also check this to review every time when you upload video, but I am permanently adding this to no, not made for kids. Here we can link your AdSense account here. When my channel get monetized, I will link my AdSense from here. So automatic caption, do not show advertisement, other, manage your YouTube account, remove your YouTube content. So feature eligibility. So here you can manage your access to more feature here. Intermediate and advanced feature required, additional verification. So you can see standard feature, upload video, create playlist and add. This is enable, but my these two function are not eligible right now. So video 15-minute custom thumbnail, live stream and content need eligibility by clicking here. Here I can upload 15-minute video if I verify my number. So I am verifying my number by clicking here. Phone number verification step. This tab is open, so I am entering my number, which is already updated at my previous YouTube channel. I add same number here, click here and get code. Now code is received to me immediately, 014351. Click here submit. Now my phone number is showing verified. Congratulations. So go back. Now you can see it is showing enable and phone number is showing verified. You can see both are showing get verified. Now I can upload video more than 15 minutes. I can upload custom thumbnail, live stream. So my this function, this second intermediate feature is also enabled. Now click here, this is showing eligible. Click this. Requirement of this is video verification, valid ID, channel history. Click here at access feature. So let's see, use video verification, usually up to 1 day, use ID, usually up to 1 day, build channel history, usually up to 1 month. So this one-time verification get you the feature to make your channel to next level, help keep the YouTube community safe for. So these are three options. So I am uploading my ID card. Click this, click next, get an email start verification to your phone, get email. Okay, so we have sent an email, this one. I received this Gmail, and if you like, you can get access to this feature by creating 30-second video verification. Okay, so click at start verification, scan QR code with your phone. So I open my phone camera and I'm opening QR code scanner, and here it is. It give me the code. Your date of birth must be match your ID card. So my date of birth is displaying at my cell phone. So now click here at next. Camera is open and taking of your ID. So I am taking photo of my ID card here. Thank for submitting ID card. Google no need to review ID card, may take up to 24 hours. So it is displaying it may take up to 24 hours. So go back, go to Gmail, and I want to see that any Gmail received to me again or not. so no Gmail received to me at the moment. So soon my ID card will be verified because I follow this procedure. Now click here, click on done, and it is showing pending. You can see advanced verification, it is showing pending, and verification valid ID is still showing pending. So I need to wait. When this accept or reject, I will resume again. Please keep watching. Welcome back, viewers. I have resumed after 9 to 10 hours, and you can see I received mail that congratulations, you are starting using advanced YouTube features. Your ID has been verified. You can now use advanced feature of YouTube. Here also receive notification. So my channel is ready now, and my ID is verified. Click here at setting, click here at channel status and features, and here my this last option advanced feature is showing enable now. So like this you can create account at one Gmail. Like this you can set up your account. I showed you in detail. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, please thumb up, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon that you receive my latest video update. And soon I will make series of video in Urdu Hindi about forex trading. So subscribe my channel and keep watching, keep supporting me. Okay, meet you soon with next video. Bye.